Hi everyone, I hope you're well, I hope you're good. Thank you to all the new subscribers that we have. Channel's growing really nice, even though I haven't made a video for a couple of weeks. Sorry that there's been no video, it's just been a manic few weeks. It's been crazy, lots of stuff going on, so I hope you're all keeping well. If you haven't already, think about subscribing. I have a plan for hopefully this year that I want to get all of you lot involved with. It's going to be all for a good cause, it's all going to be a good thing, so yeah, I'll do a video explaining all that tomorrow. I know it ain't going to be no fitting, but that'll be coming very soon, so I hope you'll keep well. I hope you will have a great weekend, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Got lots of things coming, so yeah, have a good one people, and I'll see you all very soon.